Hi guys, it's Joanne, the Crafty Sensei. I just have a Dollarama haul that I want to share with you. Some new things that I haven't seen, and we'll start with these. These are berry picks, and you get 24 pieces, and take a look at those. Thought that would be really, really cute to add to flowers. So there's different styles on that. And then I got them in pink. And I always do this. I always pick them up in almost every color that I see. Got a couple in white, because the white's always pretty to add with flowers and that. And I got this really nice green. I got another pink, and then I picked up a blue. So I got those. Then there was new finds. I haven't seen a majority of this stuff. And then these are foam rosebuds. They are so adorable. I'm going to take one out just so I can see what it's like here. Oh yeah, so it is. It looks like a real flower actually. It's really, really pretty. And then they have the green on the back for the leaves. So those are really cute. And then I got a white one. Now they could have been there at the store before, but I just haven't noticed them or just looked past them. Then I saw these foam leaves, and I thought it might be really cute to put on a memory dex card to make it really big and stand up and put something in front of it, or just to embellish it like it is. I thought, yeah, something different, give it a whirl. There's 4 pieces in that. And then I just picked up some Canadian straws, paper straws. I thought those would be cute to do some embellishments with. Then I just picked up some more of the small little glitter paper sheets. Easy to work with when they're small, so that's good. I've had these before, but I found some different designs on them. So this is the heart one again. So I've shared this before. And this one is stars. Let me take the paper, get it right out of there. Let's see what it's like without the shine. Oh, look how it just sparkles. I mean, you can tell they're cheap and what have you, but they'd be really cute charms to add to an embellishment or something. So that's a star. So I picked up a couple of the stars, because I know once people see these, they'll probably go pretty quick. I picked up another heart, and then I picked up this diamond-shaped one. So they got the little diamond inside. So those were super adorable. Then I found these little diamond decorative beads, and I thought that might be nice to add in some Happy Mail packaging, you know, with the confetti and everything, just to add in a few of those. So I found the hearts. The hearts only came in the small bag, and you get 20 pieces in each for $1.25. Those are really adorable. And then there are the diamond ones. Let's just open one up, just so we can see what they look like. There we go. Oh yeah. Now they have a little bubbles in them, but they're still super cute. They're a pretty good size. And the last thing I picked up, if you guys haven't, if you have a dog, I have a pit bull lab mix. He's a rescue, and we go camping a lot. So this collar, you actually freeze it. It has gel in it. And we put it in the freezer, or you can put it in the fridge, and you put it around his neck, and he stops panting. Like, it's really, really amazing. So if you guys have that at your Dollar Tree or local Dollarama or whatever, I do recommend you pick one up. This is our second one. We'll keep both in the camper, so that when he wears one, we can at least have the other one freezing or in the fridge. So that's everything I have from the Dollarama haul. I thought I would share with you. So I hope you're having a wonderful night, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.